press here. All right, you left click there on top left corner, and then you go to cashier. Once you go to cashier, you will see withdrawal. Then you press withdrawal. Now it will say deposit money if you have 00 here. So what you do, you need to transfer that money that you have. Let's look at the account on MT5, the account that we have, this one. Now let's sign in into this account. And this is the account that we have, and we currently don't have any trade, so we want to make a withdrawal on this one. So what do? We get back to the account. Then we go to cashier again. We press here, we press cashier, we press transfer. Then we press here, we choose the account where we want to withdraw. On this account, we press 90, and we press here. We make sure that this is the US dollar wallet account that is selected. Then we add the amount that we want to transfer. In this case, we want to transfer 10, just like that. And then we press what? We press transfer. Then the money will show up here. Can you see now we have the 10? Now on phase 3, you will go to portfolio. Then you transfer the money from the MT5. You see the money moved from MT5 to the US dollar wallet account that we have. You can also go to the app to confirm that. If you go to history, you'll be able to see the money withdrawal here, 10. Can you see that? 10 withdrawal. Now portfolio, you do the same, you transfer, just that here it is a demo account for demo purposes, for you to learn what's happening on the faces on the account. So we're not going to be able to do the transfer here, but you can easily do the same. You press transfer, then you move the money from the wallet account, the MT5 account to the wallet account. It will show up here. Then you press withdrawal. Now, on phase 2, this is phase 2. You press transfer. We can do it on demo just to show you. If you go to demo, you'll be able to see the same. We have the wallet account. We have transfer. Let's go to demo. I want to demonstrate this on demo so that you understand. The transfer, if you press transfer like that, you'll be able to transfer the money from what? From the MT5. You see transfer from, you choose here. If you are to transfer from this account, you press this account here. Then you say to, you see transfer to this wallet account. Then you add the amount here. Then if you want to transfer, let's say you want to transfer 2,000 on a real account. All right, this is just for example. On demo account, you can do it on phase 2. Then you scroll the way up and you press transfer, just like that, and money is transferred. It will show up as transferred from what? From the MT5 standard account to the wallet account. Then you press what? You press done. Now you can be able to make a withdrawal, but you can't withdraw the demo money. You can withdraw money that you have on your trading account that you've deposited, you've traded, you've made profit. You can withdraw everything. So let's press down here. When I press down here, then this is just for demonstration how we make the withdrawal. We press real, and if you transfer, you do it like that. Transfer from to, and then you make you make the withdrawal once the money is here on wallet. Now let's make a real withdrawal here on my trading account. This is my trading account, personal trading account that I use for trading, right? Now I will go to this icon here, three-dot icon. I'll press cashier. I'll press withdrawal this time around. Then I want to withdraw my money. All right. Now, once I press like that, I need to go to my email and check the message. The message will pop out, or I can go to my Gmail to check the email. All right. It is that simple. And the email has not showed up here, but then what I can do, I can go to Gmail just to check my emails there. So get out here, go to Gmail. All right, here is the email that we're looking for. So we'll click open, and I will hide some information for security reasons. I know some traders, they are so something else. So now, once you've got the email, remember, I want you to pay attention. I've made a withdrawal in the morning, so you must able to check the time so that you don't have an error of the token has expired. So I will press yes, it's me. Then it will take me to Chrome. All right, where I'm able to now complete the transaction. So I'll press here, and all right, it will want me to log in, which is something that I didn't want to do. But what I can do is copy that That link, if it does allow me here, will continue, but if it doesn't allow me here, I'll copy and paste it on Chrome. All right, I'll paste there and paste it on Chrome so that you see if it does allow me to log in here. All right, which I don't want to logging in, logging out, logging in, logging out. So let it load. Let me refresh. We want to actually make the withdrawal as fast as possible so that you understand what you need to do in order for you to make your withdrawal. So now we're just waiting for it to actually make. All right. Yes, it did not do that. So what I will do, I will go back, copy this code or this link, go to Chrome where I'm logged in to deriv, and I'll paste it here. Okay. All right, paste it there, and then I'll press go. Now, why it actually did that? It is because the Chrome is not a default app that I'm using for browsing on this mobile device. So I trust you understand. It is that why we are experiencing that. So when it comes to the withdrawal methods, the withdrawal method will be here because we've used them to make a deposit. The withdrawal method that you will see here, they are only here because I've used them to make a deposit. So if you like to activate one, you have to make a deposit. Now we'll have to enter the amount here. Enter the amount. Let me enter $10, and minimum is $10 that you can withdraw. And we have options here. I have options that I can use, but I prefer this one because here they understand emergency. I can be able to withdraw fast. I trust you understand. I can be able to withdraw fast. So I can select this option, but the minimum here is $10 that I can withdraw. Maximum is 2,000. Can you see that? You can also use the credit and debit card. You can also use the airtime here. Now, some of you, if you're new to the airtime, and this airtime, you can only be able to, this is not the airtime that you are used to, like buying it or to recharge on your mobile device. No, this is the airtime app, all right? And you can actually open an account with airtime, and it's that simple. So let's select this one option. Instant, I'll get my money in my account. I press like this. These are my information. I press here. I choose savings, and then I press request. That's it. At this stage, I'm done with the transaction. The money will be added to my account in just a matter of 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on the processing time from their side. So from here, I can press on review, pending, and this is the withdrawal here. Now I can go back. All right, I can go back. You will see that the money is already pending. All right, so this is how you can be able to make a withdrawal if you're on phase 1, but on phase 2, it's the same that you do. You press withdrawal, and it will actually show you the options. If it doesn't show the options, you make a deposit, a small deposit of the minimum amount of money they need. That's all. I trust you understand. If you have any questions, you let me know.